You guys missed it. I just was out on an epic surf session in Timbuktu, and I figured, well, I wasn't going to do an intro for you, so, you know, I just went out and surfed. You missed it. What can I say? But you know what I'm going to share with you, though? I'm going to share with you the Timbuktu National Sanctuary, where all the birds are. It's on the way out to Timbuktu. Beautiful place. I've actually never been here, but look, it's got grass on the roof. Let's go have a look. Nature Fund. So here's where they have like beautiful wildlife, all the beautiful birds out here in Denmark. They tend to gather along here. This is the fjord, I guess you could call it, between Jutland and well, northern Jutland and Vendsyssel, which is the top of Denmark, where we're at right now. And it's just like a, you know, it sort of goes between the North Sea and across to the Baltic Sea. So a lot of shipping going on in between there. And yeah, it's just kind of a neat area. This here is the national park. Two national park, not Timbuktu, but no, almost. Just a lot of wildlife here. Let's go and see if we can have a look through these doors here, see if they're open. Nah, I'm just messing with you. Let's go do some surfing. You! What an epic way to end an epic day out in the waves in Timbuktu. Out here now at TimbukThy National Park. Beautiful park here in this beautiful country of Denmark. The weather is beautiful, really fantastic. It's just the energy of the sun, you know, it's just so good. Right now I feel like that high you get just after being on an epic surf session and enjoying the weather and being out in nature just makes you feel energized, revived, and but at the same time grounded. You know, it's hard to describe. So fantastic. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did so, please hit subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit notifications and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. You!